Alright, so I got the 2021 GMC Sierra AT4 in the garage here. I'm going to be replacing the passenger side mirror because when I was backing up in Biloxi into a concrete pillar at the casino parking garage, I kissed the side of the truck. Scraped a little bit right here, got a little bit of jam down there. I was able to wheel out the scrapes. It was just I mean, 1 mile an hour, if that. I was able to wheel out the marks there. I had to replace the AT4 emblem, but the mirror got crunched back asswards. See right there? All figured up. So thanks to my brother-in-law in Detroit who has a dealership, I was able to get a replacement mirror at cost for about, was it 320 bucks? But it looks like I have to replace the cap right here, little black piece. And this looks like it's 4 bolts and a wiring harness there. It goes right up there. And there's that black piece right there. I'll have to take off. So let me show you where I'm at with replacing the mirror. And I've got directions. I don't know if you can see it on the computer right there, but I got step-by-step factory replacement directions from GM how to do it. So I'm doing it by the book. It says to take out 1 bolt right there. It's a 7mm. And then 2 right there, which I already got out and I put into a little magnetic holder. I had to take this trim piece off right here. Just pops off. No big deal. So the next step is to take off the door panel. And I'll see you in a second. Alright, I got the panel off. There was actually 2 more screws on the bottom that I had to remove. And according to the directions, you got to pop starting on the bottom and then do the middle and do the top. But let me show you something right in here. Access to the mirror is right here. So all I got to do is just take this off right here, hopefully. And then there's 4 bolts and a wiring harness right here. So that'll be easy. But I want to show you something in here is that you got 2 wires. There's one right here and there's one right down here that you want to be careful you don't pull those out of the harness. And this right here is the door lock that you have to put back into them. So I'm just going to let that hang down right there. It's a vapor shield, moisture barrier right there. And now I'm going to replace this mirror. Get those bolts out. Alright, check this out. This is going to require a second pair of hands to do this properly. Let me show you what I'm talking about. See these 4 bolts right here? You want to have an extra set of hands to hold the mirror up right here while you're taking these bolts out, or these nuts out right here. The wiring harness right here pulled out relatively easy, but you got to pull this little retainer dealy wacky, clip that out right there and grab it really securely. I mean, it comes out, but it comes out. You want to make sure you pull it out straight, not like kitty wampus like that. But these are 13mm right here, and I just called the neighbor to come down here to hold the mirror while I disconnect this cracked or busted mirror and put the new one in place, and then put everything back together again, do a test out. I think you have to do a mirror calibration and be good to go. Alright, got the new mirror put on and function checked. Everything works really good. It folds in, tilts, sensor, camera, all that good stuff. Let me show you one thing that I might have to do here. I'll show you. See this right here, this trim piece? I had to take it off the other one. There's a black piece here. And I think you can get color matched ones for these. That might be kind of cool looking. Let me show you here on the back what I had to do. So here's the damaged mirror assembly right here. So I just had to kind of pry it out. There's actually 2 places it pries out at. Right there and right there. Let's just pop this back in over here. Hopefully it pops in, right? this. Bam, just like that. Snaps right in good. Perfect. There we go. Good to go. Stock OEM with lane change warning dealy whacker. It's got the cameras and lights at work. We tested those out. We're good to go. All right. See, so I got one little mark right there from the door ding. Actually, that's not a mark, it's right there. You can see right there. There's a slight crease right here, and then there's just a slight little crease you can see right there, but I didn't take that out with the new decal on there, so could have been much, much worse. Still below my deductible for insurance claim and everything. So the mirror was $325, emblem was $33, so what, about $360 total. Deductible was $500. No insurance claim. Good to go. All right. Thanks for watching, and hopefully this helps out the next guy. And if you need directions to, I've got the PDF file. If you ever have to do this, I've got the PDF. Just email me, and I'll send it to you. Thanks for watching. See ya.